If I had to start a faceless YouTube channel from scratch today, I would only use these 7 free AI tools because with the help of these tools, you can write scripts, create images, make animations, generate AI voiceovers, and add it to a complete video to make it ready. So if you're a beginner and don't know where to start on YouTube, then this video is for you. By the end of it, you'll know exactly which AI tools to use to create high quality faceless video. So let's get started. So every successful video starts with a great script. So the first thing we need is a well-structured and engaging script. And for that, our tool number one is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is not just a chatbot. It's a powerful AI assistant that can write a professional YouTube script in just a few minutes. With the right prompts, it can give you your full script plus scene-by-scene image and video prompts. It saves your hours of research and writing. So now I'm going to show you my master prompt video, which you can use to write a professional YouTube script on almost any topic. I designed this prompt in such a way that you only have to enter your video title and duration, and GPT does the rest automatically. So basically in this prompt, GPT analyzes your title to understand what your video is about, who your audience is, and what style the script should be written in. Whether it's a tutorial, a documentary, a storytelling, it automatically picks the best form. Then it writes an engaging hook so viewers stick around in the first few seconds, and after that it structures the intro, main content, and ending in a way that the whole video flows naturally and keeps the audience interested. Another great thing about this prompt is that it writes the script according to your selected duration. If you want a 5-minute video, the script will be written for 5 minutes. And if you want a 10-minute video, the detail will adjust automatically. And it doesn't add unnecessary stuff like editing notes, camera instructions, or timestamps. You just get a clean voiceover script that's ready to report. So for example, if I want to make a documentary style video, I just enter my title, let's say the history of YouTube. Then I write 30 seconds in the duration. So you can see ChatGPT has generated a professional 30-second scripts on this exact topic. But if I want to make a cartoon video, I just need to change the title. For example, the day toy came to life, and I'll write 5 minutes for the duration. Now you can see this time the AI has generated a detailed 5-minute cartoon script accordingly. So you don't need to create a different prompt for every niche. Whether it's a documentary, cartoon, tutorial, storytelling, or any other niche, this one master prompt covers them all easily. But a video isn't complete with just a script. We also need images and videos for every scene, and to generate them, we need separate prompts. That's why I designed another universal master prompt. The job of this prompt is to automatically convert your script into scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts. You just have to paste your complete script here, and after that you can select the visual style of your video. If you want to make a realistic video, choose realistic. If you want a cartoon, select Pixar 3D or Disney 3D. For a Stickman video, choose a Stickman, and so on. You can pick any style according to your need. Then select your video's aspect ratio. If you're making a normal YouTube video, choose 16:9 ratio, and if you are making shorts or reels, you can select 9:60. If the same character is appearing again and again in your video, then turn on character consistency. This will keep the character's face, clothes, and overall appearance in the same throughout the video. With just these simple settings, this prompt automatically divides the entire script into scenes and generates a detailed image prompt and a video prompt for each scene. This way you don't have to write forms for every scene manually, and it saves you a lot of time. Now for example, I'm pasting my complete script here. Since I wanted realistic cinematic animation, so I'm keeping only the realistic cinematic option and deleting all the other styles. Similarly, since I want to make a normal YouTube video, so I'm keeping only 16:9 in the aspect ratio and removing the other options. And because I want the character to look the same throughout the video, so I'm turning on character consistency. Now we just click on generate, and as you can see, the AI has automatically divided my entire script scene-wise and generated a separate detailed image prompts and video prompts for each scene. Now we have our script ready, and we also have detailed image and video prompt for every scene. The next step is to convert these prompts into actual images. So for that, we'll use our second tool, Flow AI, where with the help of Nano Banana, you can generate unlimited free AI images. So simply after signing up here, we'll click on New Project. Then we'll enter our first image prompt in the thumb box, select the image option, and choose the aspect ratio according to your needs. You can see that there is also a zero credits option mentioned here, and you can generate multiple images from a single prompt. So once all the settings are done, You just click on the generate button and the AI will create the images for us. So as you can see, the AI has generated the results exactly according to the settings we apply. I selected the style and aspect ratio have been maintained. The same way, I'll use the rest of my scene prompts to generate images for every scene. You can see how impressive the result is. The details in the image, the lighting, and the overall cinematic look are exactly according to our selected style. And the best part is that the character consistency is also maintained, meaning if the same character is used in the multiple scenes, his face, clothing, and overall appearance will stay the same. That's why the whole video will feel much more professional and connected. So now we have all our images ready. The next step is to convert these static images into animated video clips. So for this, my third tool is also Flow AI. Here you get daily free credits, which you can easily use to generate multiple AI video clips. We'll use these credits to animate our images. So simply, whichever image you want to animate, click on the three dot option on that image and select Animate. After that, the image will be ready for video generation. Then we'll enter our video prompt, select the aspect ratio according to our needs, and in its style, choose the View 3 or Omni Flash option and click on generate. In just a few moments, the AI will convert our static image into an animated video clip. So you can see how amazing the result is. The AI has converted just a static image into a complete video clip with realistic movement. The character's movement, expressions, and camera motion look very natural. And the best part is that original style and consistency of the image are also maintained. So now by repeating this same process, I'll convert all my images into animated video clips. We'll use the same video prompts that we generated for each scene to animate all the images. This way we'll have all the required clips ready for our entire video. And now let's move to our tool number 4, which is 11 Lab. For any faceless YouTube video, a natural and high quality voiceover is very important because when a viewer watches the video, the voiceover is the element that connects the whole story. And for this, I use 11 Labs. It's a powerful AI voice generator tool which you can create realistic and professional quality voiceovers in just a few clicks. So simply we'll open the 11 Lab website. You will see a lot of options here, but we'll click on the text twist and after that a text box will appear where you will paste your complete script. Then you'll select a voice according to your needs. There are many AI voices available here, both male and female. If you want a voice in a specific style or which categories are available here, you can also find your desired voice with the help of this search box. So after selecting the voice, just click on the generate button. Within a few seconds, 11 Labs will convert our script into a natural and human-like voiceover.
In 2005, 3 former PayPal employees created a platform that changed how people share videos. Just 1 year later, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion.
So you can see how realistic the voice sounds. Once you are satisfied with the result, you can simply click on the download button and save your voice. So now we have almost the important elements of our video writing. But there is one more thing that is especially important for faceless YouTube videos, and that is background music. If you can get high quality background music for free, and improves the quality of your video even more. For that, our tool number 5 is Pixabay. On Pixabay, you can find a lot of background music according to different modes and genres. Whether you need cinematic, emotional, suspense, happy, or action style music, you can easily search and choose a track according to your need. Apart from that, thousands of beat sound effects are also available on Pixabay, like footsteps, clicks, bush sounds, and other effects that can make your video even more engaging. So just select the music or sound effect according to your requirement, preview it, and download it to use in your video. Now we have everything ready: script, images, animated clips, voiceover, and background music. Now we need to combine all these assets to create a final professional video. So for that, I will use our tool number 6, which is CapCut. So CapCut is a beginner-friendly video editing tool where you can import all your files and create a complete YouTube video. In it, you can arrange clicks, add voiceovers, add background music, and also use subtitles, transitions, effects, and filters. If you don't have the desktop or mobile version of CapCut, you can also use its online version. Its interface is simple and editing is quite easy for beginners. As soon as you open CapCut and click click on New Project, its editing interface will appear. On the left side, you get different options. From the media section, you can upload your images, video clips, and voiceover. With the help of the text option, you can add titles, captions, and subtitles. From elements and stickers, you can add extra graphics to your videos. With transitions, you can add smooth effects between different clips, while effects and filters can improve the overall look of your video. In the center, there's a preview video where you can see the result of your video, and at the bottom, there's a timeline where you arrange your clips, voiceover, and music. So now I'll import all my files and arrange them in sequence or timeline. Then I'll match the images and animated clips with the voiceover and add transitions, subtitles, and effects as needed. And once the editing is complete, we'll click on the export button and save a video in high quality. So now our final video is ready. But one more important thing is left, and that's the thumbnail. An effective thumbnail convinces the viewer to click on the video. That's why our tool number 7 is Canva. Create a thumbnail in Canva. Gospel open Canva and tag it to thumbnail in the session. You can use ready-made templates here, or you can create a blank thumbnail and make your own custom design. Now we'll add a strong background image according to our video's topic. We can create this image with an AI image generator or use the resources available in Canva. And after that, we'll add bold and clear text on the thumbnail. Because the text on a thumbnail should be simple and easily readable. Canva, you can use text, elements, shapes, and effects to make your thumbnail even more attractive. You can add a shadow or outline to the text to make it clearly visible against the background. And if you want to highlight any character object, you can upload its image, remove the background, and place it properly in the thumbnail. And the most important thing is that the thumbnail should be simple, clear, and create yourself. Once the design is complete, we'll click on the download button and save the thumbnail and upload it to our YouTube video. And that's how a complete faceless YouTube workflow is ready. From idea to script, images, animation, voiceover, editing, and thumbnail, everything with the help of AI tools. You can see that as an example, I've created a simple but eye-catching thumbnail for the history of YouTube video. I've used a strong background image, bold text, and relevant elements so that the viewer understands at first glance what the video is about and also feels curious to watch it. So that's it. That was our complete AI-powered faceless YouTube workflow. Now you too can create faceless video in documentary, cartoon, or any other niche using this workflow. If you want my master prompt, just write one prompt in the comments and I'll share them with you. If you found the video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and do let me know in the comments what type of faceless channel you want to start. And if you want to know how Stickman animation or 3D paper stop motion videos are made with AI, click on the video appearing on the left side of the screen and start that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.